Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch between the different camera lens on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now at the moment what I'm holding here is an iPhone 13 Pro, so it has three different camera lens. You got one for wide angle, then you got a portrait lens, and then you got a standard lens. So let's take a look. So if I open up the camera app to switch between different camera lens, I can tap on this one here, 0.5, and this will automatically switch to wide angle lens. Now if you choose between 1x and 3x, or even if you zoom up to 15 times, it is a standard camera lens. And if you choose a portrait mode, there is one dedicated lens for portrait mode, and in portrait mode you can choose 1 times or 3 times zoom. Okay, so if we choose photo lens, and if I put my hands on the camera lens right here, it will block off the light. So if I put my hands on here to cover up the lens, you can see it is now at 1x, and even if I try to zoom right in, it's still blocking up the light from coming through the lens right there. And if I choose wide angles, you can see if I choose wide angles, the lens is using a different lens at the moment. So you can see this is the wide angle right here. If I block it, it will block the wide angle lens. And if I choose portrait mode, it is the top lens. So this is the lens here for portrait mode. And if I zoom out to 1 times, it will switch to a different lens, to a standard lens. If I zoom right in, it will block the lens right there. And that is how you can switch between different camera lens on your iPhone. You can also zoom in. When you zoom in, it will automatically switch between different lens. So you can either zoom in or zoom out with your finger gestures, or you can tap on the buttons at the bottom here, or you can choose a different camera mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.